Hey everyone, check this out. This is Paul from Seller Motors. Okay, I got here a 1997 Toyota Supra twin turbo. This car's a two-owner, 58,000 original miles, and I'm just going to do a quick walk around. And the vehicle is running. It's all stock. It's never been modified, and I believe this is a pretty rare color. I think it's a jewel green. Very straight, very clean. It's got all the original body panels with VIN tags are in place. Timing belt was just done approximately 1,000 miles ago. And I have tons of documentation along with the receipt of the timing belt. But there is a lot of maintenance records that do come with this vehicle, and they will be provided in the gallery. These Supras have only been climbing in value and in pretty high demand right now. This is a Targa top too. Does have a removable top. I believe there was less than 500 made of this combination. There's no noticeable dings or dents. Very straight. Limited edition, 15th anniversary. Twin turbo Supra. Front tires are they got some dry rot, and it does have some curb rash in the wheels. Other than that, all the glass is good. Headlights are good. Thing runs excellent. Curb rash probably on 2-3 wheels. The other ones are not so bad. Tiny one, little one there, and the front right has some right here. First one I shown you is probably the worst of it. Very, very nice car though, all around. Everything works inside. Power antenna works. Radio works. Interior is real clean. Small wear on the bolster. No rips. Rugs are excellent. Supra floor mats. All the documentation right there. Original manual. Toolkit to take off the Targa. Pop open the hood real quick. That should do it, guys. 97 twin turbo Supra. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Take care, guys.